Hello, lovely people, and welcome to my channel. My name is Samira, and I hope everyone is doing amazingly well. We thank God for His mercies and His grace. Okay, so as you can see, some soup is popping over there. Yeah, this is chicken soup. Okay, so growing up, it was my favorite soup to eat during Christmas. So I thought it would be nice this Christmas to make chicken soup. Okay, so this soup, I really enjoyed it. Oh, I enjoyed it for 2 days. One with fufu, the fufu that you see somewhere, yeah. And the following day, I ate it with rice. Okay, actually, this evening, just before me making this voiceover, okay, that is what I ate, and it is lovely. And I hope you try it. Okay, so let's get into it. These are the ingredients I'm going to use to marinate the chicken. Okay, so these are cardamom and some star anise. Okay, so I have some sage, you can use fresh if you have it, and here I have some thyme, I have some fennel seed and rosemary in that bowl, so it's all mixed there. Okay, I'll put everything in the description box for you to see. Right, so here I have my basic spice mix, which is made up of ginger, garlic, anise seed, and some onions. Okay, onions. All right, so I have my onions there as well, some scotch bonnet and some basil leaves for the soup. Yeah, so this is my ingredients I've already blended, and here I have my tomatoes, my chili pepper, scotch bonnet, my onions, and my garden eggs. I use garden eggs for all my soups except for palm nut soup. So here I've steamed it and I've blended it nicely for later. Okay, so here is our chicken, which I've washed nicely. And to that, I'm adding our blended spices. Okay, so these are really nice spices. Okay, for any poultry you're making. Okay, so as you can see, I'm adding my basic spice blend here. I'm adding some water and some salt to taste. Please make sure you season the chicken very well with salt so that when you bite into that chicken, it is not tasteless. Okay, yeah, if you don't do that now and you wait it to do it later, your chicken will not taste nice. It won't taste very seasoned. Okay, because the salt will not penetrate the chicken because you have a lot of liquid in there. Okay, so here goes in my tomato puree to brighten things up a bit. Okay, as you saw there, my vegetables that are blended looked a little pale. Okay, so some tomato puree to brighten it up will be good. So here goes in that tomato puree. So I'm going to cover it for it to simmer, for it to steam for about 10 minutes. Okay, so I need this meat to cook properly. As you may have noticed, my vegetables are already cooked and it doesn't need a lot of cooking. So all that I need is for my chicken to be cooked very well. That is why we season it so much and we have steamed it for it to be nicely cooked and seasoned to perfection. Okay, so here, as you just saw, I've added my blended vegetables, and from here it shouldn't take long for it to cook because it is all done already. See, so yes, I'm giving it a little taste, and here goes in my secret ingredient, a dash of nutmeg. Okay, so my mom would always put some nutmeg and some basil leaf in our soup, and oh my days, it tasted so good. And this really reminded me of her. May her soul rest in peace, Madam Cash. So yeah, so our soup is cooking, and as you can see, it is really nice. Yeah, you notice that my soup, yeah, it's nice and thickened. It's not so light. Okay, so my mother, she's not a fan of light soup, so it should be light. Hey, maybe that's why we always add garden eggs. So by adding garden eggs, your soup is nicely thickened and you get opportunity to add more vegetables to your food. Okay, so our soup is never light. Our light soup is not that light. In fact, the insult you receive when you make light, you know that yes, you've made a mistake. So yeah, so you try to make it a bit thicker, not too thick. Yeah, not too light, but just in between, so that it's, it looks like not like anemia soup or anemic soup. Some soup that has body, soup that you see that, yeah. So as you can see that this soup is not anemic at all. It was really nice. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. And I hope you try this with the spices I used and let me know the taste, okay? Let me know, right? And I hope you really enjoyed this video, okay? And thank you all for stopping by, for my subscribers, for everyone, the new ones. Thank you all. And please stay safe and see you in the next one. Right? Bye bye.